Ringleader of a Brown County drug trafficking organization set to face trial next year. 46-year-old Felton Curry faces nearly 30 charges, including manufacturing and possessing a drug with the intent to deliver. As we first alerted you, Curry and 6 other suspects were arrested after a month-long investigation by local and federal officials. This led to the largest fentanyl bust in the state of Wisconsin. All 7 defendant cases have been put under seal. Curry's trial was scheduled to begin March 24th and is expected to last about 6 days. Dockside